I greet you, my special people. I continue to smash the question under trigonometric ratios, okay? And this question on board will now be the fifth one. Please make sure you watch the previous one, okay? I am solving it very easy and the way you will understand it very, very well, right? The question says, calculate theta and alpha, hence find the value of P angle QR to the nearest value, okay? So from this diagram below here, this is P angle QR, okay? So the question said we should calculate theta and the alpha. Then after everything, we now find the value of both of them, which is P angle QR, okay? Now let us move on, right? Now let us calculate for theta, okay? What are the values we have here in order to calculate this angle theta? This angle, this triangle here is a right angle triangle because it has 90 degrees here, okay? Then to this angle here is opposite of this angle, which is 9, and this line is adjacent to the angle, which is 10. Then this side facing angle 90 degree is hypotenuse, okay? Now, in order to find this theta, we now use tan under SOHCAHTOA. So we're going to use the tan, which say tan theta equals to opposite all over adjacent, okay? Because we have value of opposite to this angle and adjacent to it. It will now be tan theta we are solving equals to opposite, which is 9, all over adjacent, which is 10, which will now give us 0.9 when we use our calculator. Then remember making theta subject of formula, we now have from our calculator theta equals to tan inverse from our calculator, okay? Use your calculator, find the tan inverse there, tan inverse of 0.9. And when we find the tan inverse of 0.9 on our calculator, what the value do we have? We now have 41.987 degrees. Now let us move on. We have now the angle of this one is 41.987 degrees. Then let us find for the alpha. Now, from the alpha, this alpha here will become opposite 23, and here will become adjacent to the angle. 10 will become adjacent to the angle alpha. So we still use tan alpha equals to opposite, which is 23, all over adjacent, which is 10. And when we divide them, it will now give us 2.3, okay? From what I've told you, finding the alpha now, we now make use of tan inverse on our calculator, tan inverse of 2.3. And when we press it on our calculator, it will give us what? 66.501 degrees. Now, finding the angle Q here, finding the angle Q, okay, will now be addition of angle theta and angle alpha. Angle theta is 41.987 plus angle alpha 66.501, which will now give us what when we use our calculator? 108.49. Then to the nearest degree will now be 108 degrees. So that is the answer to angle Q. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you like, comment, share it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me, okay? Thank you so much and God bless.